It's getting a little bit dark, so hey tube, this is my BMX bike check. On my new BMX, I got this last year Christmas time. Yeah, this is a pretty cool BMX. I'm a beginner, really bad beginner. So this is really good for me. Better than my old one, which was impossible to learn on. So this is the 2012 Mirraco BMX thing. Yeah, so this is just, nothing special, really. My parents got this for me, don't know where, but I can tell this was spray painted. But, I like the colors. So, this is the 2012 Mirraco. It's my first BMX. Okay, so since this was spray painted, it's kind of hard to see the labels and everything, so I'll try my best. So it's got this, it looks like probably around 7 inches rise and 28 inches width. So this is a fairly small bars. It's got this black label diamond grips with this thing flanges. It's kind of worn because I've been using gloves and it makes it black. We got a vice brakes, orange brake cable. See, spray painted. It's getting scratched up. It's got this front load stem. I can see the logo, but I have no idea what it is. I don't think you can see it. It's like maybe like something like that. So it's got, this is 2.3 thick tires, 20-inch tires, and it's on a black label rim on a Vise hub, front hub. And same thing for the back, not the same thing. The back tire is 2 inches thick and 20 inches size. Black label rim and Vise rear hub. It's got black label pedals. These are pretty good plastic pedals. It's pretty grippy. It's getting worn though. Okay, so we've got a seat. This is Vise because you could see logo there. You might can not see it. Okay, so it's got spray painted sprocket. I don't know what this is. It's probably stock though. We've got a full length chain. It's white. See, white. Kind of worn too. And you can see the sprocket is really like worn. You see, it's black. We've got stock crank arms. Holding pretty good. This part is broken. It's like, oh, not really, but it wiggles sometimes. Almost every time, actually. Yeah. This side is pretty good, but you could see how my shoes just scraped the paint. It's really bad. Okay, so the brakes back is Vise, I believe. Yeah. So almost it. You see, I got these black, not black, orange, this thing. I forgot what that's called, sorry. And it's got like this orange headset, which is pretty cool. And this is makeshift brake cable, or brake, this thing. It's a zip tie. It's got orange fork. See, spray painted too, so you can see how my shoes kind of leave black marks on the back when I foot jam. my socks. And tires are also already getting kind of smooth. I don't think you can see that. Okay, so you may notice these things, these shiny things. Yeah, I got hit by a car. Even though this bike is white and easy to see in the dark, I get hit by some guy or some girl. I'll show you upside down. Yeah. The seat is seat post combo, and it's plastic too, so it's kind of uncomfortable. You can see how my shoes leave these kind of zebra marks on the back part of the frame. Frame, I think, is actually 20.5 or 21 inch. You can see there's actually a Mirraco logo somewhere here. So it's kind of dark. See, right there, underneath. It's kind of hard to see since it's super white and bright. Yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna get new parts soon. Maybe after my birthday. I was thinking white tire wall, orange rims. Same thing for the back. And I'm gonna make both these tires 2.3 inch, or this one's already 2.3 inch thick. I'm gonna make this 2.3 inch thick because this is a little too small. Thank you.